how to rename the Samsung Music playlist on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up the Samsung Music player. Then tap on the playlist tab at the top. Next in here, you will find a list of a playlist available for you to make the change. So let's say I want to change IT Jungles 2. So simply touch and hold onto that. Then tap on the rename button at the bottom here. And now we give it a new name. So let's say IT Jungle Rocks. Then tap on rename. So you can see we have now renamed the playlist. You can also open up the playlist itself. And while you are in here, you can tap on the more button and then tap on rename at the top. And then here we can change it. Tap on rename. And that is another way how you can rename your playlist. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.